Welcome to part 2 video of chapter 2 linear equations in one variable. In the previous video, we have discussed what is linear equation in one variable and how do we solve linear equations with linear expression on one side and the numbers on the other side. In this video, we will discuss some application level questions. Here the most important point is to form the linear equation from the given question. So for that, I recommend you read the question at least twice before actually answering it. So let's look at some of the questions. Exercise 2.2, question number 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? So let the unknown number be x. So if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, so our number is x, so you have to subtract 1 by 2 from x. So you have to write x first, x minus 1 by 2 and multiply the result. So the result of this is multiplied by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. So this first step is the most important step. So you have to be very careful while forming the equation. Now, how do we solve this? Now, let's solve what is in the bracket first. So, I have discussed cross multiplication with you, right? So, x into 2 is 2x. This is 1. So, 1 into 1 is minus 1 by 1 into 2 is 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8, right? So, 2x minus 1 into 1 is 2x minus 1 by 2 into 2 is 4 is equal to 1 by 8. 2x minus 1 is equal to, here it is division. So you take it to the other side, it becomes 4 by 8, which is 1 by 2. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So 2x is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 2 by 2. How? 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2 by 2, which is 3 by 2. So 2x is equal to 3 by 2. So what is x? 3 by 2 divided by 2, which is 3 by 2 into 2 by 1, which is equal to, into 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 4. So that is our final answer. So if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. So our answer is 3 by 4. Now, question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? So, we have a rectangular pool. Let L be the length of it and B be the breadth of it. So, the perimeter is given to be as 154 meter. Right? Now, what is given about the length? Length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. So if L is the length, length is equal to 2 more than twice its breadth. Right? So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Is equal to 2 into L plus B. That is a general formula. Right? Perimeter is 154 that is given to us. Now 2 into, instead of L, we can write 2 plus 2B because L is equal to 2 plus 2B. Plus B. 154 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 2B and 2B plus B is equal to 3B. So 154 is equal to, now when opening the bracket you have to multiply the terms like this. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 2 into 3B is 6B. Here it is positive. When you take it to the other side, it becomes 154 minus 4 is equal to 6B. 150 is equal to 6B. So 150 divided by 6 is equal to B. Now how do we divide this? What is the common factor? 3. So 150 divided by 3 is 50. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Again the common factor is 2. So 50 divided by 2 is 25. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So B is equal to 25. So do not stop here. We have found only the breadth. So what is length? 2 more than twice its breadth. So length is equal to 2 plus 50, that is equal to 52. Question number 3. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4, 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So an isosceles triangle means two sides are equal and the base is given to be 4 by 3 centimeter. So if you take this unknown side as x, then this is also x. So let x be the side, okay, and the perimeter is given to us as 4, 2 by 15. This is a mixed fraction, so you have to convert it to improper fraction first. How do we do that? 4 into 15 plus 2 divided by 15, which is 4 into 15 is 60 plus 2 is 62 by 15. This is the perimeter. Now what is the perimeter of a triangle? Perimeter basically means you have to add all the sides together, length of all the sides together. So perimeter is equal to x plus 4 by 3, right? So 2x plus 4 by 3 is equal to, what is the perimeter total? 62 by 15. 2x is equal to 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. In the previous questions I have discussed cross multiplication with you, but in this case it is better to do LCM. So the LCM of 3 and 15 is 15. So here we have to multiply by 5 and by 5. So 62 by 15 minus 4 into 5 is 20 by 15 is equal to 62 minus 20 is 42 by 15. Now what is x? 42 by 15 into 1 by 2. In the previous question we have seen how this works, yeah. So here it is in the positive, in the numerator, you have to take it to the denominator. So 42 and 2 you can cancel, 1, 21. 21 and 15 you can cancel, the common factor is 3. So here it is 7 and here it is 5. So 7 by 5 is the side of the triangle. Now you can either leave it like this or write the answer in the mixed fraction form. So how do we do that? 7 divided by 5, which is 1, 5, 2. So 1, 2 by 5 is the answer if you want to write in the mixed fraction form. Now question number 4. Sum of the two numbers is 95. As one number exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. So let the number be x. So if one number is x, if one exceeds the other by 15, so the other number is x plus 15. Exceeds means plus. Find the numbers. So the other statement that is given is sum of two numbers is 95. So x plus 15 is equal to 95. You're adding this and this. 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. 2x is equal to 95 minus 15, which is 80. So x is equal to 40. So what is the other number? X plus 15, which is equal to 55. Now question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Whenever a question is given that it is in the ratio of something, I mean like 1:2 or 2:3, here it is 5:3. So the numbers will be 5x and 3x. Now if they differ by 18, what is differ? Means subtract. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. So what is 5x minus 3x? 2x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 by 2, which is equal to 9. Right? So what are our numbers? 5 into x, that is 5 into 9, which is equal to 45, and 3 into x, which is equal to 3 into 9, which is equal to 27. Do not stop here because our number is not x. Our number is 5x and 3x. Now, question number 6. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? Consecutive integer means that one that comes one after the other. For example, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, like that. So if one number is x, the next number will be x plus 1. The third number will be x plus 2. So 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. That means x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 51. Now you can add all the 3 x's together, which becomes 3x plus 1 plus 2 is 3 is equal to 51. So 3x is equal to 51 minus 3, which is equal to 48. So what is x? 48 by 3. Now is 48 divisible by 3? Yes. So here in 4 there is 1 3, remaining balance 1. In 18 we have 6 3's. So in 3 1. So 16 is the answer. 16, 17 and 18 are the 3 consecutive integers that will add up to 51. Number 7. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. So let the first multiple be x. So what will be the next multiple? X plus 8. Why? Suppose if the first multiple is 16, next one is 24. That is 16 plus 8. Now the third one will be 32, which is 24 plus 8. Right? So x plus 8 is the next multiple. What is the third multiple? X plus 8 plus 8. That is x plus 16. Now what is given in the question? The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. So this plus this plus this is equal to 888. So x plus 8 plus x plus 16 is equal to 888. Now you can add up all the 3x together, which becomes 3x plus 8 plus 16 is 24 is equal to 888. So 3x is equal to 888 minus 24. That is equal to 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 2 is 6 and 8. Now x is equal to 864 divided by 3. Is 864 divisible by 3? Let's check. Now how do we check that? We have to add the digits together. That is 8 plus 6 plus 4, which is equal to 18. Is 18 divisible by 3? Yes. So this whole number is divisible by 3. In 8 there are 2 3's and the balance is 2. So you write it here. In 26 there are how many 3's are there? 8. Balance is 2. In 24, 8 3's. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So the answer is 288. So this is the first multiple. You have to find the other multiples as well. So x is 288. What is x plus 8? 288 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9. 296. What is the third multiple? 14. 304. So 288, 296 and 304 are the 3 consecutive multiples of 8 that will add up to 888. Now question number 8. 3 consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. So if the first number is x, the next integer will be x plus 1. The third one will be x plus 2, because they are taken in increasing order and are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, which means this is multiplied by 2, this is multiplied by 3 and this is multiplied by 4. They add up to, which means the sum of this is equal to 74. Now 2 into x is 2x plus, now when you're opening the bracket you have to multiply it separately. 3 into x is 3x plus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 4 into x is 4x plus 4 into 2 is 8 is equal to 74. You have to add up all the x terms first, that is 2x, 3x and 4x, which is equal to 9x plus 8 plus 3 is 11, which is equal to 74. So 9x is equal to 74 minus 11, which is equal to 63. So what is x? 63 divided by 9, which is equal to 7. So what are the integers? 7, 8 and 9 are the consecutive integers.
Question number 9 to 16 will be discussed in the part 3 video. If you have found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And do let us know your feedback in the comment section below.